Crunchy's magical mouth-to-tummy trip. One sunny morning, in Emily's bright kitchen, a shiny red apple sat quietly on the counter. Suddenly, a little piece of this apple popped out and said, "Hi, I'm Crunchy, your friendly apple piece. Ready for an adventure inside your body?" Emily giggled and said, "Sure, Crunchy. Where are we going?" "We're going to explore your digestive system," Crunchy announced. "First stop, your mouth." Inside Emily's mouth, Crunchy met the Teeth Twins, who were busy chewing. "We break you into tiny bits," said Mr. Tooth, "so you can be easier to swallow," explained Mrs. Tooth, winking at Emily. Down the hatch, Crunchy slid into Emily's stomach, where Mr. Stomach, a jolly round fellow, was stirring a big, bubbly pot. "I mix you with my magical juices to break you down even more," he chuckled. "This helps release your energy." Ha 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 ha! Next, Crunchy traveled to the small intestine, a long, twisty tunnel where Nurse Intestine was waiting. "I'm the nutrient catcher," she said, catching tiny sparkles from Crunchy and sending them into Emily's body. These keep her strong and full of energy. Finally, Crunchy reached the large intestine, a cozy tunnel where Mr. Large Intestine waved goodbye. "I tidy up by collecting what Emily's body doesn't need," he said with a friendly smile. Emily smiled and said, "Wow, I didn't know my body was so busy and friendly." Crunchy nodded. "And remember, eating healthy food helps all your organs work happily. They love fruits, veggies, and whole grains." As the adventure ended, Emily felt excited to take good care of her body, knowing all her tiny helpers were working hard inside. "Ready for our next adventure?" Crunchy asked with a sparkle. "Absolutely!" Emily cheered, reaching for a colorful bowl of veggies. Reflection questions. 1. What did you learn about the journey food takes through your body? 2. Which organ did you like the most and why? Activity. Create a body helper chart together as a family, drawing the organs and writing down what each one does to help you remember how your body digests food.
Thanks for listening. You can create your own version of this story at Tadatoon.com. Now, here's a little activity you can try together.